Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to make flaxseed gel at home and how I use it to detangle natural hair before washing. First, I pour in 2 cups of water into the pot and then I add about half a cup of flaxseed. These are the only 2 ingredients that you need: flax seeds and water. If you struggle with tangles, knots, breakage on your natural hair, you definitely need to try this. Flaxseed gel is one of the best natural remedies for moisture because it's slippery and it gives a cool definition and even hair growth. And it's 100% natural, affordable and safe for both adults and kids. So after mixing the flaxseed and the water, I then bring it to a boil at very medium heat. I then reduce it to low heat after 3 minutes and just let it simmer while stirring it occasionally. As the seeds cook, you'll notice the water starting to thicken and turn into a gel-like consistency. It looks very similar to egg whites, slippery and slimy. That's exactly what we want. The longer you let it boil, the thicker the gel becomes, but be careful not to overcook it because it can get too thick and very hard to strain. I usually let mine cook from around 7 to 10 minutes. Once the gel has formed, I take it off the heat and immediately strain it. This part is so important. Make sure you strain it while it's still hot because once it cools, the gel solidifies and becomes much harder to separate from the seeds. I pour it through a strainer and I just use a fork to get all the gel. And then I transfer it into my applicator bottle and it will be ready to apply before washing my hair. Now, let's quickly talk about the amazing benefits of flaxseed gel for natural hair. First of all, it provides incredible sleep, which makes detangling so much easier. It's also a natural moisturizer that helps to lock in hydration. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the scalp and encourage hair growth. They also contain vitamin E, which strengthens hair strands and reduces breakage. The gel gives an amazing curl definition, which is actually perfect for twist outs, for wash and go styles, and braid outs. It also improves scalp health. It reduces dryness, itchiness, and even flakiness on the scalp. So not only does this gel help with detangling, but it also supports long-term growth and healthy hair. Now, moving on to the application of flaxseed gel on natural hair, I'm going to demonstrate this on my daughter's hair. The first step is to do this in sections. So she had twist before. I'm just going to work on the twist that she had. If not, I usually part the hair into like 4 or 6 sections depending on how much tangled the hair is. Sectioning actually makes the process so much easier and ensures that every strand gets coated with the gel. Starting with the first section, I apply the flaxseed gel directly to the hair from roots to the ends. You immediately notice how slippery it feels. It just melts away all the tangles. After that, I work the gel through with my fingers first, just gently smoothing and separating the strands. The goal here is to coat the hair evenly, making sure the product reaches every curl and every knot. I can already see the difference. The hair looks shinier, softer, and much easier to manage. After applying the gel, I go ahead and twist each section. Twisting keeps the hair organized, stretched, and tangle-free as I move on to the next section. It also prevents the hair from shrinking back while I'm still working on the rest of the head. Detangling with flaxseed gel just before washing your hair has so many benefits. First of all, it reduces the time that you spend detangling during shampoo. Instead of detangling in the shower, you just have to wash your hair straight away. It reduces the time, your wash day time in general, and it also minimizes breakage and shedding. When your hair is fully detangled, there is no hair loss at all. It keeps the hair moisturized and protected before cleansing, and it also makes wash day so much easier, especially on thick or tight coat natural hair. Once all the sections are twisted and coated with gel, I then take a wide tooth comb and gently comb through. The gel provides enough slip that the comb just glides through without pulling or breaking the hair. This step actually ensures that all knots are broken. You can use a brush if you use a detangling brush, and it also ensures that the hair is completely detangled. You notice there is way less breakage compared to detangling on dry hair or even with just water. And after finishing the whole head, we can get ready to wash the hair. Now that's it. We made flaxseed gel from scratch, applied it on natural hair, detangled, twisted and combed through. Now the hair is soft, shiny, tangle free and ready for a stress-free wash day. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't for more natural hair care tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried flaxseed gel before? Let me know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.